Kieran is the CEO and founder of TechExcel and SpecDD methodology. Welcome, Kieran.
Thank you, Renee. So today we will give the web-based training on SpecDD. I am the founder of the methodology. I have been giving conference speakings on this topic. I also have been conducting classroom trainings for this method. Today we start to give training web-based, and we would like to continue to give this web-based trainings. If it's not monthly, it will be every 2 months. And we'll continue to also give classroom trainings. So hopefully one day SpecDD training will be happening in a nearby cities of you. So we'll talk about on day one's agenda. So we'll start with what is SpecDD, and then we'll quickly discuss Scrum process and its limitations. And then we start to use a real-world project that I experienced to drive the idea of why SpecDD was created and why requirement-driven quality integrated agile process is more suitable for real-world project. And then we'll be talking about the SpecDD process model. And today's session on day one will be covering more on the core process of the SpecDD model, which is the development process. Then we start to talk about why requirement-driven, and we'll just explain what is a sprint workload and how the sprint workload get finished on the daily basis. And we talk about the burn-down reports, the benefits of using time-based, time-remaining estimate versus point estimate. Then we'll talk about the SpecDD job roles and how the certification of the learning process work. And we continuously to use topics and presentation by the members of this class, and we'll conclude with day one summary. So how can you participate? We'll be giving questions as polls. So these questions are very easy to answer. It's designed for all of us to easily look at the question and give answers, and to not necessarily to study your answer to be correct or not correct, but by reviewing all the answers from all of us. Today we have about 30 members. So we will know, will be some interesting distributions of people's answers. And using such answer and questions, question and answers, I can also tell how do I improve my topics for the remainder of the training. And if you do have time, have questions you want to ask for some answers, please post your questions. Use the GoToWebinar question tab, and then I will try to select some questions to answer. For the training topic discussions, I have designed 2 of them, so hopefully we'll have enough time to give the training topic discussions for both of them. So you will be spending we'll be giving about 10 to 15 minutes actually. So it will include 5 minutes break time, but I would encourage all of you to spend about 10 minutes of time to prepare for the answers, and then hopefully some of you will raise your hand and want to give presentations. If none of you raise a hand, then I will try to just pick up somebody. So somebody will be giving the presentation of such discussion topics. And if for those of you who like this training, who find that SpecDD as a methodology will help you to make your development agile practice to be more scalable, to be more balanced, I will strongly encourage you to become certified SpecDD master. So we will post recording of this training in about, I will say about 1 month's time. It will be available only to members who attended this training. And you're welcome to visit SpecDD.com and review the training. And from there, you can actually take the SpecDD Master Certification exam. And once you pass the exam, then you will be given with more privileges. And you can submit blogs and submit articles on the SpecDD